So I'm feeling good today. And with that being said, I want to share some secrets on y'all because I do not gatekeep and I love teaching the culture, my culture, about how to get that moolah, okay? So I'm going to show y'all how I made $54,000 within 3 months and it's still calculating. You want to know? I'm going to show you. So EPS Financial is a tax software for your banking. And this is just to show proof of funds of how much I made this whole year, okay? So it is, let's just click it, because this is real time. I have did 74 apps and 63 has been funded. I have made over $54,000, $286.27, okay? This is my account. You don't believe me? Watch this. So tax season started in February, well actually January, but the first drops didn't come out until February. So this is what I made in February, you guys, okay? 23,000. That was the first whop, okay? March, 30,000. Was that clear if we got 20? And then 30, we're already at 50. All right, you guys. April, as the month start going down, 13, okay? Right? And then in May, 5,000, you guys. So I just showed y'all February, March, April, and May. And that's over $54,000. I just want to give a little clarity real quick. So that was $54,000, $287. That's my personal account, what I made with my clients doing taxes. Not to add who I teach and the money that they made also, you guys. So that's where you're seeing the $13,000 at after the 50K and the 54K, adding it all up. If you're trying to math and make it make sense, I didn't put what they made. If you're wondering how I do it all out of the convenience of my laptop. I market just like this, and I tell people and I teach people. I also have students where I show them how to file taxes for personal and for businesses, okay? You just seen in the last clip that I have funded over 63 apps, all right? 63 people that I have did their taxes for, which actually it was 74, but some of them haven't came in because they have not verified yet, all right? And it's a lot of logistics to why, or maybe some people owed and they didn't get a tax refund, but 63 people got funded. Last year, I did 100 people and I made around 60K, you guys. This year, I made around 54K just personally. That means my own people. I have students, about 8 to 10 students as of right now. I have one top earner. I don't know if you heard about her yet, but you can go check her page out. She's called the Pretty Tax Pro. And she was one of my highest earners for my students on my team, you guys. And she made a amount of good money, and she tells you how much that she made. Here she is right here. Check her out.
Hey guys, Khalees here, and I just wanted to, get on here and talk about my experience with working for the company Wealth Prodigy as a 1099 contractor doing tax preparation. To give you guys some insight on what we do is basically we are tax experts, we're tax professionals, and so we basically help individuals and commercial businesses file their taxes for the year. The best part about Wealth Prodigy is that they actually teach you how to do taxes. They're going to go over a lot of different scenarios for individuals and commercial businesses as well too. You will learn the ins and the outs and the do's and the don'ts, the pros and the cons of what to do in the tax industry. You're going to know how to do taxes before you even do a tax return and how to file a tax return correctly. I personally do not want to gatekeep this information at all. Now I want to get into the point of this video. Don't get me wrong, I'm a licensed esthetician. I love to do waxes, I love to do facials, and I have multiple other streams of income and everything of that sort. But what I will say is Wealth Prodigy has given me the capability to be financially stable. I would say this is the best thing that I've ever done for myself. And this is the best thing that I will continue to do for myself because it brought in the most money in the quickest amount of time. Now I'm going going to insert just a few screenshots, the money that I have received, deposits that I have gotten with the work that I have done for doing tax preparation services. Now that you in my business, think about if this was my first year, how is it going to be next year? How is it going to be the year after that? How is it going to be 5 years down the line? Especially having Wealth Prodigy behind you and walking you and holding your hand every step of the way. I utilize this company to better my situation, to better my financials, and to better my family, and to ultimately create generational wealth. What I would say to you is the next class is in December. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have or find the answer for you if I don't know it. If you guys are interested and want to learn how to do taxes and want to learn how to make the money that I've been making or more, go ahead and send me a message and we can get you started to learning how to do tax preparation services today.
I love to educate you. I love to show you how easy it is, just like all my videos, from credit to taxes to financial advice to generational wealth. It's a conversation that needs to be had. So if you like what you saw in this video, better yet, just drop, I want that 50K too, in my comments, and I'll reach out to you.